Stay clean. All day, hygiene hacks that completely change my life. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's be honest. We all think we've got our hygiene routine figured out, right? I mean, we shower, we brush our teeth, we use deodorant. What more is there? Until I realized that some of the little things I was doing or not doing every day were either making my life harder or way less fresh than it could be. These are 7 simple, affordable hygiene hacks that took my routine from just okay to actually life-changing, like more confidence, better skin, better sleep, and yes, fewer awkward moments. Some of these tips are going to surprise you. They're not the typical wash your hands type stuff. I'm talking about hacks that no one really talks about. Things I wish I'd known years ago. Whether you're trying to upgrade your self-care game, feel cleaner throughout the day, or just want to stop making some hygiene mistakes you didn't even know you were making, this video is for you. So grab a drink, get cozy, or better yet, start your nighttime routine with me. And let's get into 7 hygiene hacks that completely changed my life, and just might change yours too. Step number 1, the 2-towel rule. First up is something so simple but so effective. The 2-towel rule. I use 1 towel for my body and a completely separate one for my face. Why? Because your body towel can carry bacteria, sweat, and oils that can clog your pores and cause breakouts if used on your face. Trust me, since doing this, my skin has been way clearer, and I don't feel gross drying my face anymore. Step number 2, scalp hygiene. You don't even notice your hair is smelling bad because that funky odor actually comes from your scalp. All the oils, leave-in conditioners, and heat protectants build up on our scalp. Cleansing, frequency, shampoo 2 to 3 times a week for most people. Daily if you have an oily scalp. Exfoliation. Use a scalp scrub or chemical exfoliant, like salicylic acid, once a week to remove buildup. Brushing and massage. Use a soft brush to distribute natural oils and loosen debris. A scalp massage with fingers or a massage brush boosts circulation and promotes hair growth. No 3. Tongue scraper equals game changer for breath. I used to brush and floss religiously, but still struggled with bad breath until I found the tongue scraper. It removes all that gunk on your tongue that your toothbrush misses. And wow, the difference in my breath and overall mouth freshness is insane. Use it once a day after brushing, and thank me later. Step number 4, Vaseline in the nostrils. Okay, this one sounds weird, but trust me. In dry weather or during allergy season, I dab a tiny bit of Vaseline inside my nostrils with a Q-tip. It prevents nosebleeds, stops crusty buildup, and even catches allergens or pollutants before they enter your body. Step number 5, shower at night and morning. If you're only showering once a day, this tip might change your life. I started doing quick morning and night showers. Night showers wash off the day's sweat and bacteria so you're clean when you hit the sheets. Morning showers wake you up and give your skin a fresh start. Even if they're just 3 to 5 minutes, it makes a massive difference in smell, confidence, and skin health. Step number 6, undergarment rotation system. I keep my clean pairs in one drawer and cycle them front to back. Why? It keeps me from overwearing the same comfy pairs and lets me keep track of when it's time to toss older ones. Step number 7, baking soda in shoes. My final hygiene hack is for foot odor, which used to haunt me. Sprinkle baking soda inside your shoes overnight. It kills bacteria and absorbs moisture that causes stink. I also rotate shoes, so I'm not wearing the same pair every day. So those were my 7 life-changing hygiene hacks. If you found even one helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, real-life wellness tips. Got a hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to try it out. Stay clean, stay fresh, and I'll see you next time.